microphone on his locally. Oh, sorry. I wasn't thinking about that. Give you this for the people here. Details.
No, gotta talk about developers.
Yeah, maybe we start with Alex.
Yeah,
Or
I
Alex
make a
is
quick 3-minute intro, and then but you don't need to wire me.
All right. Start? Yeah, why don't we start? I think we're good.
Do we want to point this?
Audio? He's already on. Yeah, it's running on his laptop.
Oh, great.
Alex, okay. To Alex.
Yeah, I'll just have here. Well, good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming. We have one more series of meetups here at Yahoo, and today we're going to focus on platform side of the house. So my name is Alex Friedland. I'm one of the co-founders of Mirantis, and I have here a bunch of guys who talk about the work we've been doing in the community around the platform part of the stack, and just kind of explain why we're doing what we're doing. We've been pretty active contributors to OpenStack, as many of you know, and but today, if you look at kind of the history, OpenStack has been positioning itself as the IaaS, the infrastructure as a service, and if you look at the use cases, for the most part, it's all about getting the infrastructure to work. And most of our customers are still at this phase, but a lot of customers are doing it because there is a reason. They want to actually start loading real workloads and using them in production and be able to manage them and so on and so forth. And so we view OpenStack not just as a infrastructure as a service, we view OpenStack as one of the stacks. When it matures, it's going to be one of the stacks on which the whole application infrastructure is going to be working and managed and all, so it's going to be as full a stack as what Amazon is building, and I believe that Google will be building, and Microsoft and others, and OpenStack is going to be a full pillar with all the components from IaaS above. That being the case, we started making investments into the platform side of the house about a year and a half, and we've developed a number of pieces. Some of them have been accepted into OpenStack already. Those who follow know Savannah. This is part of the same group that has been working on the platform. Savannah, of course, is the framework to manage Hadoop, elastic Hadoop loads, Hadoop as a service. So today we're going to speak about two more. We're going to talk about application catalog and workflow as a service. And again, some of you may have seen the traffic in the community, but today's a deep dive. So the first, of course, is what Murano and Alexander Tibikov will be the speaker. So thank you. One word about the format. So we'll have a presentation. I think it's about 30 to 40-minute presentation each. So we'll do a Q&A session after each presentation. So I suggest we'll let the speakers kind of talk about the thing, hold your questions, and then right after there'll be a full Q&A session for everything that people said. So with that, Alex, please.
I'm not Alex. This is Dave Nielsen. I just wanted to quickly do a shout out to the OpenStack Northwest folks who are actually joining us from, I think, Portland. And so they'll be watching, I think, from this laptop here. And I think they've got about 40 of them in the room there. So we've got an additional group joining us. Just want to give them recognition. And then I'll give the mic over to the real Alex.
That's the real Alex.
Yeah, Alex.
I like it.
We can scoot this over a little bit. They're complaining that this is not attached. Awesomeness.
That worked.
I just assume this is one solid piece.
It's very clear now.
Yeah, that wire is going to be dead.
Thanks.